the 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, remote keyless entry, cruise control, and a split folding rear seat. Mitsubishi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control assures solid grip atop the road surface no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.